Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and this is Omo. If you're new on my channel, my name is Omo and I do videos on beauty and fashion. And if you're a subscriber on my channel, I want to say a very big welcome back to my channel to you. And today I'm going to be talking about how to make your foundation flawless. I know I've seen so many comments on my videos saying my foundation is flawless, and today I want to show you. I'm going to be demonstrating what I do, the procedure step by step, how I achieve my flawless foundation look. And first thing first, you want to make sure you start with a clean face. Today I've already cleansed my face and I've used my simple moisturizer wash to wash my face, after which I went in with my simple moisturizer. I love this simple product because it's natural, there's no chemical in it, and I've been using simple for a very long time now, and I have no regret. I've not looked back. Another step you can take, it's just a step, an extra step I take, is applying your eye cream. I use all that eye cream on under my eye. This just helps to brighten my under eye. If you have any black under eye, this can really help to soften it, or if you have puffy eyes. Once you do that, you want to go in with a primer. I can't emphasize, the primer is very important in your routine. I like to prime my face because it's just like it's a layer that helps your foundation to stick on. How would I explain it? It's like it helps your foundation to apply smoothly with no effort at all. So I'm going to be using the baking oil from Makeup Revolution, and I've been loving this oil. I actually started using this oil I think like a week ago, and if you are on Instagram, I'm sure you might have seen people use this oil. This oil makes my makeup look healthy, very healthy. So, and this is the oil, baking oil, Makeup Revolution baking oil. So I'm just going to go in. I like to dab all over my face, and I use my finger. Honestly, I always think that your finger, your hands, is the most important tool you can use when applying makeup. You can use the finger to apply your foundation, you can use it to apply your primer, and you can see the difference. Once this is applied on my face, this frame between my face now and before. So once I do this, I'm just going to let it sit for few seconds, just few seconds. After that, I'll go in with my foundation, and I'm just going to, you want to go in with your foundation slowly. You want to do like little bit at a time. You don't want to go in too much on it. And when you're applying your foundation, I want to mention that you can apply your foundation with a brush or your beauty blender. And when you're using your beauty blender, I say you make it damp. That means you're going to go in with some water, squeeze out the water, the extra water, and you have a damp beauty blender. If you're using your brush, you can as well apply. If you have MAC Fix Plus, you can spray your MAC Fix Plus on your face before you go in with the foundation. That way your face is renewed, it's refreshed before you go in with the foundation. And these extra steps helps your foundation to be flawless. So I'm going to go in with my foundation, and the foundation I'm using today is my Lancome foundation. You know me if you've been following my channel. I love Lancome. Lancome is my best foundation. I just love this Lancome foundation, and I'm going to go in. A little drop goes a long way. I'm just going to do little drops, like 2 or 3 drops on my hands. And when you do this, this helps to warm up your foundation when you put your foundation at the back of your finger or at the back of your hands. So I'm going to go in lightly on my face, and this is what you want to do. You want to dab, and you want to pat when you apply your foundation. You want to pat it. Just go in and pat to push the foundation into your skin. That is what you want to do. And my mirror is just over there, so if you see me looking at this direction, it's because my mirror is just at the other direction. So you want to dab, pat in. That way you're pushing your foundation into the skin, and that is what you want to do. You don't want to drag your foundation. You want to pat, and as much as blend it in. That way you're blending in your foundation, and you want to push your foundation into the hairline too. I'm just going to apply a little more. Just apply. You can go in with more foundation as much as you feel you need. I like it when I have full coverage with my foundation, so I'm going in with extra, not leaving my under eyes out. And yeah, and you want to keep dabbing and patting and blending the foundation into your skin, guys, into your skin. Do not drag your foundation. Do not drag your foundation. And this is what you want to do. And as you can see, it's applying smoothly without no kickiness going on. You can even see how smooth it is, how smooth it looks. I'm just going to finish it up with a little left on my ends. And yeah, this is what you want to have, a smooth and fresh and flawless foundation. Just keep blending it as much as you want, as much as you feel you need. You push it into your skin with your damp beauty blender. I love this beauty blender. I think it's from I'm not sure. I know I got it from the drugstore. I'll see if I can link the name below, but any beauty blender would do. And you can also use your brush first. If you're someone that loves to use your brush to apply your foundation, I would say you can go in with your brush first and use your beauty blender to just, you know, blend the foundation in and make it more smoother. And you know, just do whatever works for you. You can use your brush, you can use the beauty blender, and you can use your brush and your beauty blender. Honestly, any beauty blender will work and, you know, will make your foundation apply flawlessly. And the next step I'm going to be doing is I'll go in with my concealer. And always I want to go in easy with my concealer, using my LA Girl concealer. I thought I was holding my Lancome. There's this concealer I love to use. I thought I had it here, but I'm just going to go in with what I have right now, and the LA one is the one I have right now. So you also want to go in easy with your concealer. You don't necessarily need to apply your concealer the way every YouTuber apply their concealer. To be honest, I tell people that all the time. Some people believe that that is the only way to apply your concealer, but no, absolutely not. Most times it's always better when you go easy on your concealer. That way you know you're not going to get it wrong in any way. You're not gonna, if there's any mistake, you can easily correct it, maybe, you know. And you don't want to go in too much on the concealer, because once you do that, you might apply too much, and trust me, you can correct it, but that's extra time out of your time, especially if you're rushing out of the house. You don't want to apply too much. So the same thing applies to your concealer. You want to go in easy and, you know, simple on your concealer. You just want to start apply your concealer little by little, and if you feel you need extra coverage with your concealer, then you can go in with extra. Honestly, if you do this, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to stop at this step, you know, because I like to use my liquid concealer. But what I usually do is I have this MAC concealer. The tube is like this. I'm not sure which of the MAC concealer it is, but I go in with it first, then I go in with my LA concealer. That way I have more coverage under my eyes, and it will give me that highlight I'm looking for. But by all means, you don't need to use two concealer. That is just me. You could just go in with the LA concealer, because this is a cheaper concealer and it does do the job. So why not? And you can see I've already brightened the under eye and I've not applied too much. So once you do that, you know, the job is done. You can say I have a flawless look, and you want to go in with your powder, which I'm just going to do quickly. I'm just going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to dab in just little. I don't really like baking. If you know me, if you watch my video regularly, I don't like baking. I bake, but not all the time. So you could just make sure that you smoothen your under eye before going in with your powder. You want to make sure you dab you know, the your beauty blender on it before you go in with your powder. And that is it really. And honestly, with this powder, sometimes I even go in all over my face with this powder. And if you have a powder close to your skin, you can as well go in with that one all over your face. Well, that is what I have in front of me right now, so I'm just going to do that. And that is it. And now we have our flawless looking foundation. How does this look? Let me know if you love this. Let me know which other method works for you. And that is all I want to cover in this video, how to achieve your flawless foundation. In another video, if you let me know if you want to see another video, how I highlight, how I contour, how I do some other stuff on my face. And I want to leave you with a word: be true to yourself, love yourself. Nobody can love yourself the way you love yourself. And guys, if you've not subscribed and you're watching me right now, be part of the beautiful family. Join the family. It's just a click. Just click that right button right now. Click subscribe to my channel. Put on your notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And until I see you next time, I love you guys. Be true to yourself. See you in my next video. Bye.